Hello everyone, once again, my name is Salau-Aibuki. On my task 2, using the Iris dataset, I imported my libraries again. Then I load in my datasets. Then I check for the first 5 rows in the data to see how the data looks like. Then we see that it contains 4 columns and 150 rows, which I checked using the shape attribute. Then I check for the unique numbers of columns in my data set by using the NUnique method, and I found that the sepal length has 35, the sepal width 23, the petal length 43, the petal width 22, and the data type is an integer. Then I use the elbow method to determine the number of cluster k-mean. So I created a variable which I named x. Then I used the high-log function to check for the values by calling all the rows and some specific columns, 0, 1, 2, 3, which are the columns. Then I imported my scalar and my k-mean from the scaling.cluster. I created the variable WCSS, which is within cluster sum of squares, as an empty list. Then in that list, I said that for I in range 1 to 11, k means equals to k means into bracket n cluster equals to high, the int equals to k mean plus plus, and the mass in underscore inter equals to 300, and the random state should be 0. So I fit it in. I fit the s into the k mean. Then I append the k-mean dot inner tiers into the WCSS. Then I plot it to observe it using the elbow method. So it is observed from this plot now that the WCSS does not decrease significantly with every iteration. So after that, I applied the k-mean to the data set, creating the k-mean classifier. K-means equals to k-means into bracket n cluster equals to 3, int equals to k hyphen means plus plus. Then I assigned it to a new variable, which is y underscore k-mean equals to mean dot fit underscore predict x. So I got the array. Then I visualized the cluster on the first 2 columns using the scatter plots, and it is observed that the Irish citonal, which is connoted in the red, while the blue is connoted with the Irish versicolor is connoted with the blue, and the green is connoted with Iris virginica, and the centron is connoted with the yellow. So thank you for listening.